A group of 5 friends, Emma, Liam, Sophie, David, and Mia, decide to go for an adventure in a forest that was long forgotten by time. They heard tales of a sinister presence haunting the woods, but they dismissed them as mere folklore. The forest, dense and overgrown, immediately feels oddly disconnected from reality, shrouded in a permanent twilight. As they venture deeper, the path becomes less distinguishable, and the chirping of birds and rustling leaves grow unnervingly silent. The sun begins to set, casting long shadows that stretch out like spectral fingers. This permeating darkness brings with it an unwelcoming chill. Without warning, an ancient, decrepit sign appears, reading "Beware, do not enter." The friends laugh it off, but their nerves subtly begin to fray. Suddenly, a distant scream echoes through the trees, sending chills down their spines. They rationalize it as an animal, but the seed of fear is planted. Liam, the group's self-proclaimed leader, insists they continue. The deeper they go, the more the normal forest sounds are replaced by unsettling whispers and unidentifiable rustlings. Emma starts feeling like they're being watched. Large, dark shapes flicker in her peripheral vision, but vanish when she tries to focus on them. Sophie's phone battery dies mysteriously, even though it was full moments ago. David trips over a root and, upon closer inspection, realizes it isn't a root but an old, decayed human bone.